I think more concerning is the land loss. We need the sediment from the Mississippi River to rebuild our coastline and give us that barrier. It's not really happening. Today's high 67, right at average for this time of year, but notice we are still looking at some very cold mornings. 41 was the low, 9 degrees below average, and we did get to freezing briefly on the North Shore. 31 at Slidell, we were 32 at Hammond and Bogalusa, got close at Belle Chase down to 34. We're not going to be that cold overnight tonight. In fact, we may see temperatures actually rising before daybreak as we'll start to see a stronger southeasterly wind. 64 degrees right now. Dew points are a little bit higher. That bird band actually will be lifted later this evening as more moisture starts to surge in. East southeasterly wind at 11 miles an hour right now. So temperatures mild. Beautiful day today. The humidity stayed down. Temperatures very comfortable with plenty of sunshine, but that will start to change during the day tomorrow. Winds out of the east, and they had been gusting at times. Winds have settled a bit, but still a bit of a breeze through the overnight hours. Winds sustained at probably 6 to 12 miles an hour, and maybe an occasional gust a little bit higher than that through the overnight period, and then winds increasing more so during the day tomorrow, and then windy on Thursday. We had a lot of sunshine, but notice the clouds are starting to come back from the south. We're also watching a disturbance out to our west. What we're looking at in the near future is our rain chances increasing and the chance for some strong to severe storms, albeit a low chance of that happening. What we're watching for is this big upper trough currently centered over Southern California. This trough is actually going to start moving eastward and then begin lifting northward. What we're also looking at on this graphic here is not only the upper pattern, but the instability in the atmosphere, which could lead to some severe weather. During the day tomorrow, that severe threat is more centered over Texas, Oklahoma. Then as we get into Thursday, that threat does move east. But notice the upper trough is lifting to the north at this point, or really more northeast. So that takes the real severe threat kind of northward with it. So for us, most of southeast Louisiana, the chance is very low. A greater chance is going to be more over Mississippi and points north. And that is why the Storm Prediction Center has placed more of the focus to our north. Kind of the tail end of this does include parts of the North Shore. Notice at the moment, nothing in the metro area. I really do think it does take a lot for us to get very well-defined severe weather here. I do think we're going to have more of that threat north of us. Certainly something to watch as we approach later in the afternoon and evening on Thursday as the front approaches, because most of our storms on Thursday will be along the front itself. Maybe some spotty showers during the day tomorrow. Rain coverage tomorrow 20-30%. And then early in the day on Thursday, again, rather low rain chances. Most of our storms will be right along the frontal boundary during the afternoon and evening on Thursday. Then once the front moves on through, the colder air starts moving in, and Friday and into the start of the weekend, chilly and windy. So looking ahead to the parades Friday evening, again, the front will already be through by Thursday night, early Friday morning, and it will be on the cool side. Temperatures dropping into the 50s to upper 40s, but with a breeze out of the north, it'll still feel more like the 40s. And during the day Saturday, beautiful, but high temperatures staying in the 50s. Once the sun goes down, low 50s to 40s during the late night, and a milder day on Sunday. Really, Sunday looks to be maybe our best day with temperatures more in the 60s during the day, so very pleasant throughout the afternoon hour. So once again, we kind of lucked out. We get our rainfall a few days before, and then beautiful weather for the parades. Let's hope that trend continues. Clear tonight, not as cold. Some patchy fog possible, lows 40s and 50s tomorrow. We'll see increasing clouds, maybe some spotty showers. It will be a little warmer, a little more humid, high around 72. Then those storms on Thursday afternoon and evening, then turning pretty chilly on Friday, and then cool, we'll call it Saturday, milder by Sunday, and looks like we'll see another rain chance as we head into the start of next week.
All right, Chris, thank you very much.